today. Off to the hossy. Oh yeah, fuck yeah, baby. Look at that fucker. Take that up.
Local anaesthetic. Stings like you've been stung by something.
Yep.
Here we go.
Yep.
So tell me,
Yeah.
what exactly happened?
I'll come off a bike.
Yeah. Alright, sorry, needle sting on the other side.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
That one was a bit worse than the first one.
Sorry. One side's usually a bit worse than the other side. Alright, that's a start. Yeah,
Because it's not me.
It's his brother.
Yeah,
It's his brother.
And I want to watch this later on. We've got a crash on film too.
you got the courage on film too. Alright, so you know the whole story.
So there's no loss of conscious when he came off the bike?
Nah.
Sorry, needle sting 1, 2, 3.
Nope.
Just put in a little bit more.
Does. Oh yeah, that really does actually.
Yeah, it really is like being stung by a bee, isn't it?
Oh, what type of bees are you getting stung by?
Oh, that side of a lorry.
Yeah.
Big one.
Sorry, 1, 2, 3.
Good fun.
I'm laughing with you, not
Ah,
at
this is great.
Yeah, she's laughing with
This is
you.
exactly how I wanted my
you.
son.
I know how you feel.
I did this shit to myself. I said this
Yeah.
morning we're going to stack that.
Mine wasn't that bad though. This is bad.
I think we should be getting a little bit numb now. I feel sort of big and heavy. Thanks a lot.
Bigger and heavier. There we go.
Yeah, I know. You're telling me.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
Oh, so dislocated I can't even put it back in.
Do you want to do this for me, maybe? Oh, there it goes. It's starting to move. Oh.
Yeah, baby.